The event is actually about Sia completing 19 years, and I think 19 years में उन्होंने इतनी widespread जगह, बहुत सारी जगह पे उन्होंने खोला हुआ है. It's an achievement, and I think I congratulate them.
As a celebrity, as an individual, what do you comment on the creativity and the innovation of this calendar as such?
आई थिंक कैलेंडर में अगर आप इंडियन पहनते हो तो ज्वेलरी की बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत होती है. आई थिंक टू इन्हांस एवरीथिंग, योर फेस, योर ड्रेस, एवरीथिंग. सो आई थिंक ज्वेलरी इज़ वन ऑफ द इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट अब हमारी ज़िंदगी में. मतलब इवन विद आप ये सोचो कि वेस्टर्न में भी आपको ज्वेलरी की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. आई एम वेयरिंग वेस्टर्न, आई एम स्टिल वेयरिंग रिंग्स और समथिंग और ईयर रिंग. तो इट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आई थिंक इट एनहांसेस योर ड्रेस अप.
Do you think there should be a replacement for the television celeb community who are featured on the calendar as such? They are deserving candidates.
Sorry?
All the television celebrities who are featuring on the calendar, are they deserving or they need to be some replacement also?
As in for regarding replacing of what?
Any other celebs as such?
I think ये criteria नहीं. You want me to talk in English or Hindi?
Anything you are
anything.
comfortable.
I think जो marinating films हैं, those guys have actually thought of something with everyone's look. I think they've been great in choosing. I think I won't doubt their choice in that. Replacement तो I think आप किसी को भी replace कर सकते हो आज की ज़िंदगी में. So yes, आप कर दो, मुझे ही replace कर दो. It's like that.
As a last question, in the coming years, you want any change kind of thing, any big event to be organized for this?
For?
Television calendar as such.
I think there will be a very good event which will be organized for the launch of the calendar. I think you should just wait for that.
Thank you.
Thank you.
She's not buying it later.
What is the event all about? What is the purpose of the event?
Well, Sia has, we own Sia jewelry for our calendar that we shot in Jordan for the coming year. We're associated with Sia, so we're here to enjoy the jewelry, buy the jewelry, and of course 19 years of Sia anniversary.
What do you feel about the creativity and the innovation of this tele-calendar? It's very creative, very innovative, or you want some kind of change in it?
I think telecalendar as a concept, they've taken very interesting, very beautiful women from the Indian television, and you've got people like Sia to associate with them. And obviously you fly them abroad and you shoot in exclusive locations like Jordan. So obviously like you said, innovative hai, काफी creative hai, and it's very, very beautiful.
Being a woman and you are in your rich dress, for a woman point of view, is jewelry more important or husband is more important?
Definitely husband. If that was that a question?
What a question.
No, definitely husband.
In the coming years, what kind of innovation, what kind of creativity you want more? Should be in larger scale as such? This
It was already, from the previous year, it was way more larger. But, I mean, make it even more larger than this would be to take us to a even more better location. But Jordan was beautiful. Right?
Jordan was very beautiful, yes.
Do you think there's any replacement kind of thing in the calendar as such? Anybody from television industry itself?
Sorry?
No, but I think every woman that they have chosen, right, is so pretty, and they have their own demographic that they tap into, be it somebody like a Nia, who's very young and very refreshing, to somebody like Anita, who's been in the industry for a while, and yet she's able to be on the calendar itself is a big thing. So I think they've categorized women perfectly right. They've taken care of every segment and every TG and addressed it really well.
What is the idea of wearing the jewelry? It should be expensive or just what kind of?
It has to go with what you're wearing. It has to, you have to enjoy wearing it. You have to love wearing it. And that's exactly how the experience was when we were shooting in Jordan. You have to enjoy, you have to be happy in what you're wearing, and I think the jewelry by Sia gives you that happiness. So